Under the stars, I see everything that led to where we are. And I wouldn't change a thing under the moon. Oh, the wishing that we did is coming true. Like I got magic up my sleeve. And you can't find.
Well, you can see from that the van's all packed, the cars are all packed, lawn's mowed, pool's fixed. Only a couple of small jobs to do, and we'll be off on Friday. We're heading off to Corumba via the centre, straight up over to the east coast at Atherton and that area, so we can catch up with some rallies, and then back down the middle and out west to Stonehenge, Windora, Quilpie, and then home via Thargomindah. So a big trip. So we leave on Friday. And first stop's Gilaka, where we catch up with some really good friends of ours, Tony and Pam, and we'll catch up with them when we're travelling with them for 5 weeks, doing about 5,000 Ks. So looking forward to it. Looking forward to those crisp, beautiful western mornings, long afternoons, and a few drinks every afternoon after 5 o'clock. See you later. Very little is taken inside the Ram. We keep everything in the dog box in the back, spare tyre, a bit of timber, a bit of wood for burning. Got the fridge in this side, and a few bottles of wine, a few drinks in there, keeping cool. That runs 24 hours, or basically all the time, thanks to the solar panel on the roof. We come to the other side. We've got in here, we've got generator, it's a bit of fuel, AdBlue, mats, toolboxes, everything in the drawer. So, bit of a rundown on what we've got in the dog boxes. In this box, we've got the ARB air compressor, double air compressor. Next one, recovery gear and toolboxes. Around the other side, more recovery gear, emergency triangles, etc. And in that one we've got the fill points for the diesel and the AdBlue.
In me.